Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it is a package from Magical Mixery Store. Lots of new trims I can see, and then bits and bobs in this one. So I'll go over the trims first. Ooh, we've got some fun Winter Wonderland. Gorgeous tools. So we have this fun blue one with, look at this metallic snowflake on there. Different styles of snowflakes. And then we've got a pink, like a light pink with silver. And then a light pink or a white with the silver, metallic silver. Ooh, so pretty. Great for all those Christmas projects. So she's got the whole, like every color possible. She's got like a, as you can see, the color comparison. This one's like a baby pink. This one's a darker pink. I mean, it's not dark at all, but darker with the silver. Like a lilac one. This pretty mint one. And then these ones are rainbow color metallic snowflake on it. So you can see it's even like ombre. So pink, yellow, blue. These ones are like blue and green, purple and silver, pink, and it just goes throughout. Very pretty. So that's the mint with that on it. Then you have the purple version. These are so pretty, like all those colors. And then this is the dark pink. Ooh, so pretty. Look at this one. This one screams Elsa. I know a lot of ladies love to use blue for their Christmas crafting. So she has this gorgeous like royal blue tinsel eyelash trim. And then this one is like a fun like wool loop-de-loop yarn, but it goes white to medium to dark blue like ombre. And then we have this one, which is like a furry. I love this. I think that I have a gray one from her for Halloween, but it's just like a furry yarn. And again, it goes ombre from light to dark. And then this white one, this is a yarn with more of a like stringy eyelash look to it, but not as eyelashy. So it's in between. Very pretty. And then we have great ones for fall. The fall trio. So we got this gorgeous color one, like a yellow, a mustardy yellow. And then this one's like an ambery copper color. And then a brown eyelash trim. And these are like fun, long, wispy eyelash trims. Like a good 2-inch each little wisp. I feel like a, almost like a felt. And it alternates up and down. The white star, hollow star, and then trees, little red Christmas trees in that like felty material. Ooh, so cute. Okay, now for the organza bag of goodies. I've never seen a star version, so those little flat back, the metal flatbacks, but shaped like a little white star. How cute are those? And then she's got this one, which is a cute, look at that, fuzzy faux fur bow in pink. Ooh, those are so cute. Got black fuzzy hearts with this the metal like flatback part. Gorgeous. Of course, some pink one. Oh, I guess I don't have to take these out. The pink ones of those black ones, like a fuchsia pink. Really pretty. They're like a corally pink of the star version. A dark royal blue. Navy blue, I should say. Then we have a pink heart of the fuzzies. The fuzzy family. And a pink, like a lighter pink of the fuzzies. So this is like a corally pink, and this is baby pink of the fuzzy stars. So of course, some red fuzzy hearts. Christmas or Valentine's Day. Super cute. Ooh, she's got some fun spoon shovels, you know, for all those sequin mixes and group swaps. Glue a little bail on here if you don't have something to pierce the plastic and make it a charm. Ooh, look how cute the pink ones, baby blue, and look at these neon fluorescent green. Ooh, I love those for Halloween. Gorgeous. Let's get into the sequins. So this one, she's got winter mint, and it's got these little clay discs in there, like candy ones, and mint. Those look like mints that you eat. Oh my gosh, how fun. Pink little snowflakes and silver and hollow. Ooh, and then we got this one, so cute. It's like got amber color ones. It's got these little yellow flowers. Oh, they're like gold cupped flowers. Golds, whites, emerald green in there. Very pretty. And then this one, we've got winter freeze. She's got cute little like hearts in there, snowflakes, clay bits, the cute little heart ones. This one, like a muted red. She's got gingerbread in there. Gold gingerbread, snowflakes, iridescent, like clearish pink Christmas trees. Very fun. Ooh, Christmas mints. So she's got those fun mints again, but in red and in green. And then the peppermint swirl ones, and then mints. Oh, she just is so good at making these sequin mixes, you guys. And look at these clear, those look like ice cubes or like like a snowball, snowball fight. I don't even know what those are. Seed beads, maybe? Ooh. And then we've got this one, peppermint sticks. And literally it's little polymer clay in white with a little peppermint candy cane on there. How cute is that? The pinks, the reds. So cute. This one, little snowman. So these ones have polymer clay bits. Let's see if I can get him. There he is. Little snowman on there. He has a scarf, his mittens, buttons, a hat, everything. He's very detailed for a little polymer clay guy. And then you got your silver snowflakes, glitter snowflakes, and whites. And then this one, oh, look how cute. The little mint glitter Christmas tree she uses. She's got the little peppermint swirls in there. Red, green, some hearts. Very cute. And this one, it's got the green stars. Oh my gosh, little gingerbread houses. It's called Ginger Snacks. How cute. Purple swirls, blue swirls, red swirls, yellow swirls. Kind of like a little candy mix for the ginger people, if that's what they would eat. And then we got this one, which is Joy. And it's got little polymer clay with Christmas tree designs on the front of them. And then these ones look like little stockings, little like socks, Christmas socks. How fun, with all the little stars in there, greens and reds. Very pretty mixes, girl. You've been having fun mixing those. Thank you so much, Sarah, for another amazing little package. You guys, I will leave her shop down below and some categories, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.